Welcome to the primat.ca dashboard. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process of creating a collection request. Step 1. Accessing the form. To create a new collection request, click on the Collection button in the left menu of your dashboard. The first step is to accept the terms and conditions. A validation code will then be sent to you via SMS. Enter this code to confirm your identity. Once validated, you will be automatically redirected to the Collection Request Management page. Step 2. Creating a new request. To create a request, click on the New Collection button located in the top right or in the left menu. You will be redirected to the Collection Request form. Step 3. Selecting the subject. Type and collection type. First, indicate whether the collection request concerns an individual, a business. Then, select the type of collection: standard, without judgment, for contracts, unpaid invoices, or any accounts receivable; legal, if a court judgment has already been obtained and you need assistance with its enforcement. Step 4. Providing required documents. Standard collection. You must provide clear proof of debt in PDF or PNG format. Legal collection. You must provide a copy of the court judgment file, PDF or PNG format. Step 5. Debt Information Standard Collection. Debt amount before interest. First delinquency date. The date of first delinquency refers to the moment when the debtor first failed to meet their payment obligation. This date is crucial for assessing risk and determining collection actions. Minimum amount accepted if you are willing to settle for a lower amount. Legal collection type of judgment obtained, e.g., small claims court, default judgment, etc. Judgment date, debt amount before interest. Legal fees, assignment date. Additional indemnities included in the judgment, if applicable. Step 6. Debtor information. Please provide the following details: full name or company name, social insurance number if available, date of birth for individuals, phone number, email address, last known address, additional information that could assist in locating the debtor, e.g., employer, secondary contact details, etc. If the debtor's current address is unknown, you have the option to submit a skip tracing file. Step 7. Finalization and payment. Once the form is completed, click Add to Cart. Your request will be added to your cart, visible in the dashboard header. In the cart, you can review a summary of your request. To finalize your request, click Checkout button. You will be redirected to the payment page. Click Order to enter your payment information if no card is already registered on your account. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your first collection request.